For years, desktop creators, filmmakers, and digital artists have been waiting for Apple to finally address the biggest compromises of their Pro monitor lineup. And now internal supply chain leaks and internal firmware code have confirmed that a massive revolution is right on our doorstep. The original display that launched back in 2022 gave us a tantalizing preview of what a dedicated Mac desktop screen could be. But its standard 60 Hz panel, modest dynamic range, and dated internal processor left a lot of high-end power users demanding something significantly more capable. That brings us directly to the sensational new details surrounding the Apple Studio Display 2. Welcome back to my channel Tech Rivet for exclusive insights into the future of tech. Subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon for more tech updates. The upcoming Apple Studio Display 2 is shaping up to be an absolute power station for creative professionals, completely redefining visual fidelity and workstation performance across the entire desk setup ecosystem. When you examine what Apple is engineering behind closed doors, it becomes immediately clear that the Apple Studio Display 2 is not just a modest incremental refresh, but rather a complete ground-up hardware transformation designed to eliminate every single complaint of the original generation. The headline feature that every editor and visual craftsman has been begging for is the dramatic overhaul of the panel technology itself. Leaked supply chain orders and regulatory filings reveal that Apple is officially ditching the standard edge-lit LCD panel in favor of an advanced mini-LED backlighting system packed with over 2,000 distinct local dimming zones. If you have ever edited video, color-graded photography, or consumed HDR content on a recent high-end MacBook Pro or iPad Pro, you already know the astronomical difference mini-LED makes. On the current model, black levels often look washed out or gray when working in dark rooms, and high dynamic range content simply lacks the punch and contrast ratio that modern media production requires. With the Apple Studio Display 2, black levels will drop down to true pitch black depths, matching the visual contrast of luxury OLED monitors while avoiding the permanent pixel burn-in risks that make OLED risky for long static desktop editing timelines. Beyond the contrast improvements, the sheer luminosity of the panel on the Apple Studio Display 2 represents a massive generational leap. Sources deep within the display manufacturing pipeline report that peak HDR brightness will skyrocket from the previous 600 nits up to an astonishing 2,000 nits, with sustained full-screen SDR brightness reaching 1,000 nits. This means that when you're grading HDR video in DaVinci Resolve, or editing high-res RAW photos in Adobe Lightroom, the highlights will explode off the screen with extraordinary pop, accuracy, and realism. Photographers working in brightly lit environments or studios with heavy ambient sunlight will no longer have to struggle with washed-out viewports or extreme reflections. To complement this extreme brightness, Apple is offering both standard high-transmittance glass and their legendary nanotexture glass coating option on the Apple Studio Display 2, scattering ambient light without introducing the unwanted grain or softness that cheaper matte coatings traditionally inflict on fine pixel detail. Equally revolutionary for day-to-day usability is the long-awaited arrival of high refresh rates. While the original monitor locked creators into a sluggish 60 Hz container, multiple independent leaks inside recent macOS developer builds confirm that the Apple Studio Display 2 will introduce promotion dynamic variable refresh rate technology supporting up to 120 Hz. If you have ever moved your cursor, scrolled through complex code, scrubbed a 4K timeline, or swiped between multi-monitor spaces on a 120 Hz display, going back to 60 Hz feels jarringly laggy. The inclusion of promotion on the Apple Studio Display 2 guarantees that every interaction across macOS feels butter-smooth, silky, and instantaneous. Furthermore, the variable refresh rate engine dynamically adjusts its frequency from 47 Hz all the way to 120 Hz, depending on the content on screen, matching exact film frame rates like 24 frames per second or 48 frames per second natively without jitter or pull-down artifacts, while conserving system bandwidth when static content is displayed. There has been intense debate among indies. Try insiders regarding potential screen sizes, with early supply chain reports hinting that Apple developed two distinct prototypes during internal validation tests. While the flagship mass production model of the Apple Studio Display 2 remains locked into the sweet spot 27-inch form factor featuring razor-sharp 5K resolution at 5,120 by 2880 pixels. Additional leaks indicate Apple has experimented with a larger 32-inch variant designed to bridge the gap toward flagship reference displays. At 27 inches, 5K resolution yields the exact native 218 pixels per inch density that macOS target scaling requires for pixel-perfect integer scaling, ensuring that vector artwork, typography, and UI elements retain laser precision without taxing your Mac GPU with off-axis spatial scaling calculations. For professionals who manage massive multi-track timelines, complex 3D viewports, or side-by-side app layouts, keeping this pristine pixel density on the Apple Studio Display 2 is critical for maintaining long-term eye comfort and peak productivity. Underneath, its premium aluminum housing, the brain of the monitor is getting a staggering performance upgrade that separates the Apple Studio Display 2 from every competitor on the market. The original model surprised the tech world by housing an iPhone Class 13 Bionic chip to handle internal camera processing, spatial audio rendering, and voice commands. However, leaked hardware diagnostics confirm that the Apple Studio Display 2 will leap multiple generations forward, packing a custom Apple silicon processor equivalent to an A19 or A19 Pro chip built on an ultra-efficient 3nm architecture. Having a dedicated 3nm processor inside the Apple Studio Display 2 means the monitor doesn't just display pixels. It functions as an autonomous microcomputer that offloads heavy display management, hardware color calibration, image signal processing, and multi-channel audio decoding completely away from your host Mac's CPU and GPU. This internal chip upgrade directly solves one of the most widespread complaints about the first-generation hardware: the webcam quality. Early adopters were vocal about the muddy noise and awkward angles produced by the original camera module, forcing Apple to issue software patches to clean up image processing. With the Apple Studio Display 2, Apple is pairing its powerful new internal processor with a completely redesigned 12-megapixel ultra-wide center stage camera sensor. Driven by real-time neural engine algorithms, the camera on the Apple Studio Display 2 tracks your movements effortlessly across your room, keeping you perfectly framed during high-profile Zoom calls, client presentations, or live stream broadcasts. Additionally, the upgraded camera architecture natively supports desk view, using machine learning to digitally unwarp and flatten the physical workspace directly in front of your display base, letting you showcase physical sketches, products, or documents to clients in real time without needing a second camera mount. Visual excellence requires matching acoustic precision, and Apple has re-engineered the built-in sound system inside the Apple Studio Display 2 to set a new benchmark for desktop audio. Tucked behind the precision-machined aluminum chassis is an upgraded 6-speaker array featuring 4 force-canceling woofers and 2 high-performance tweeters. Internal acoustic benchmarks reveal that the Apple Studio Display 2 produces over 30% deeper bass response than its predecessor, delivering rich, room-filling low frequencies without vibrating your desk or distorting high volumes. Coupled with full support for Dolby Atmos and hardware-accelerated spatial audio, music producers and video editors can evaluate spatial sound stages and mix spatial tracks directly from the Apple Studio Display 2 without instantly needing to put on headphones or set up bulky studio monitors. A studio-quality 3-microphone array with beamforming technology isolates your voice from background fan noise or room reflections, ensuring crystal-clear vocal recording for quick voiceovers, podcasts, and video conferencing. Connectivity speed and bandwidth have received a massive future-proof boost through the integration of next-gen Thunderbolt ports. The Apple Studio Display 2 is confirmed to feature full Thunderbolt 5 connectivity, unlocking a colossal bandwidth ceiling of up to 120 gigabits per second. This massive throughput is precisely what allows the Apple Studio Display 2 to push uncompressed 5K resolution at a high 120Hz refresh rate simultaneously alongside ultra-fast downstream data transfers. With dual Thunderbolt 5 ports built into the rear panel, creators can effortlessly daisy-chain up to 4 Apple Studio Display 2 units together from a single host Mac Studio or MacBook Pro, pushing nearly 60 million pixels across their workstation without experiencing bandwidth bottlenecks or frame drops. Furthermore, the main host port delivers up to 96 watts of power delivery over the included Thunderbolt cable, allowing you to fast-charge high-power Mac laptops like the 14-inch or 16-inch MacBook Pro while driving the display through one clean cable. To cater to specialized professional industries ranging from print publication to broadcast filmmaking, the color science capabilities built into the Apple Studio Display 2 have been drastically expanded. Standard consumer monitors only support basic sRGB or general P3 color gamuts, but leaked calibration documentation reveals that the Apple Studio Display 2 natively adds full Adobe RGB color space support alongside wide P3 and comprehensive Rec. 2020 coverage exceeding 80% for HDR mastering. Digital artists and pre-press colorists can seamlessly toggle between color presets directly inside macOS display settings without requiring external hardware LUT boxes or complex software overrides. In a groundbreaking move, Apple is also introducing dedicated DICOM medical imaging presets and a specialized medical imaging calibrator for the Apple Studio Display 2. Opening the door for medical professionals and diagnostic radiologists to view high-resolution clinical imaging directly on an Apple workstation screen with certified diagnostic accuracy. When evaluating the industrial design and ergonomic flexibility of the Apple Studio Display 2, leaks indicate that Apple has refined the sleek all-aluminum aesthetic while expanding functional mounting choices. The screen features hyper-thin uniform borders crafted from recycled aluminum, maintaining the minimalist aesthetic that perfectly matches the Mac Studio, Mac Mini, and Mac Pro desktop hardware. Apple is providing multiple factory configuration choices, including a standard tilt-adjustable stand, a premium tilt and height-adjustable stand with a counterbalancing arm that allows weightless elevation adjustments, and a zero-stand Visa mount adapter configuration. The Visa configuration allows power users to mount the Apple Studio Display 2 onto custom desk arms, multi-monitor articulation rigs, or wall mounts, making it adaptable for every spatial requirement from tight editing bays to expansive executive suites. One of the biggest questions on every creator's mind is how the Apple Studio Display 2 fits into Apple's broader product lineup alongside the flagship Pro Display XDR. Supply chain analysis suggests that by elevating the technical specifications of the Apple Studio Display 2 with mini LED backlighting, 120Hz promotion, and 2000 nits peak HDR brightness, Apple is effectively consolidating its high-end display category. The new hardware delivers reference-grade performance that rivals or exceeds the aging first-generation Pro Display XDR at a significantly more accessible price point. While full production timelines place commercial availability across the United States and global retail channels in mid-2026, pricing leaks indicate that Apple plans to maintain competitive tiering starting around $1,599 for the standard glass configuration, with nanotexture glass and height-adjustable stand upgrades available as premium options.